Okay, so I'll try to actually show you guys while I'm trading. I will be sharing my screen right now, and yeah, I'll share it you the screen. So basically, I already took a trade before, and it was like trembling down over here. So I got out over here. Then I saw it some kind of trembling down here. I had a trading instinct over here. So my intuition actually told me, trading intuition, not instinct. It's not about instinct, it's about intuition. So I actually decided to short over here. Then saw it trembling down and shorted twice over here. So I added to my position. What I was fearing was that maybe the market will have actually came back up. So it came back up. I was thinking about shorting it. I was thinking about reversing. I had a tiny position. I mean, I had my stop losses all over here. I mean, just a safety net because I don't use tight stop losses. Those are just safety nets in case I forget to actually trade or my connection gets screwed up. So I just keep those over there. But overall, I was looking for a reverse if it was actually breaking through this trend line. It did not. It actually turned it back down. So as soon as I saw it turning back down, I stayed in the trade. This candle made me feel really okay, really cool. But sometimes when you see these massive candles, I see there's some news here. I don't know what the it is. I don't read news, but I saw some tiny. I saw some. I saw usually I see a pullback when I see this. So it actually pulled back a little bit. Now it's actually trembling down again. So I will be staying in the trade. I will try to stay in the trade as long as possible and just try to then close it. So this is just me live trading. Probably you will see a bunch of candles. I don't know if I will close it now. I will close it later on. I'm just watching the price, watching. So I don't know if I will keep this trade even though I will be closing the video. So I will be shutting down the video. So watch me trading live. Just watch me handling this tiny trade over here. It's obviously still the training account. So this is obviously just it's a little chunks of money, like $20, $15. It's not a lot of money, so it's a chunk of money, but it's still money. So it's just me trying to understand how the market goes and how I'm able to actually trade in a whole month of trading with this type of quantities. I will have to do the same thing in the next month. I think today is like the 25th day of the challenge. So day 25 of the challenge or 26, I don't remember. I'm sorry. But yeah, I will try to stay in the trade for as long as possible. My objective in trading is to get out as soon as possible when my trade is shitty and it sucks balls. And it's just stay in the trade when the trade is very good as long as possible, and also to let the trade work itself at infinite. So it could go down to zero, it could go up to the moon. My objective is to stay in the move for as long as possible before it actually pulls back to my original entry point. Otherwise, it could be going in forever. Like it could just rumble down for like 5 more points, 5 more points, 3 more points. I don't know. It could just go to the infinite and beyond, up down to zero. I don't give a fuck. All I'm doing is I'm just trying to stay in the moves. So I don't care if the market goes up, goes down. I just don't care. I don't give a fuck. And I cannot know where the price is fucking going. This is just for risk management. The trend lines is just for risk management. All I'm doing is I'm just trading and trying to ride big trends and add to my already winning positions. One of the biggest mistakes I've done lately was to actually add into my losing positions. I tried to actually adjust to that, but seems like it's giving its fruits of the labor. So it's an interesting thing. So let's see how it goes. You will be watching this trade with me for maybe the next 5 minutes. I don't know, and we'll just see it go. Okay. Okay. So you can see here there's this kitchen. Vuoi venire a fare il video? Ah? Oh, vuoi venire a fare il video? Okay, sorry. I was talking to someone else, my girlfriend. So as you can see, the trend line is obviously going down. So I'm not looking to take any profits here. I'm just not looking to take any profit. I just don't want to take any profits. It's just bullshit. Taking profits is bullshit. Ideally, you don't want to take any profits. You just want to let it go to the infinite or down to zero and die, or live forever and go to the moon. And you want to be on the moon. You don't want to be down to earth if it goes to the moon. And you want to go to hell if it's shorting. You don't want to stay on earth. You want to go to hell. So you actually want to go where the price is going. So all I'm trying to do is I'm trying to ride the freaking fucking trend. So this is it. The market is not open yet. This is pre-market hour. Is I'll tell you, it's yeah, it says the market will close in 8 hours overall, but it's in New York time is hold on, A City. Che ore sono a New York? Okay. It's 8:43 a.m. in New York City, and at the moment, so the Wall Street is not opening yet. So when it will open, I could be expecting a bounce. I could expect it to actually tumble down. I don't know, and I don't give a fuck. Okay. So all I know is that I just want to stay in the trade for as long as possible. And yeah, that's my reasoning. And that's the way I trade. So bear with me for this trade. Watch me trading live. And yeah, just try to stick with it. Yesterday I had massive losses, just came back up, just came back down. My bankroll was at like $2,167. Then I managed to bring it up to $2,185 at this time of the day, and now it's going up obviously for this position. So let's just see what happens. I wish I could share my profit and loss. I will try to do that in the next videos, so you can see how many trades I take and how much I lose, like, because I take lots of losses, micro losses every time, like -$2, -$4, -$10, -$5, -$2, always like that. And that's just the way it works with trading. Like, you want to lose, you want to have micro losses and then just have massive big wins, more big wins. So on average, I could expect to lose money on a daily time frame 50% of the time. 50% of my days are profits, 50% of my days are losses. It's just the way it was in the backtesting period for 4 months, 4 months of backtesting. So I will probably keep on backtesting. What I'm hoping for is that we'll manage to backtest for 15 days today for October, and then up to November 2022. I'm actually trying to complete the whole 2022 as a backtesting, because that will actually explain itself. It will be self-explanatory for me being able to trade if I actually manage to trade for a whole year in backtesting, as it's just a more speed way of training, and it actually helps me to develop my instinct with trading. What I'm looking for is development of my instinct, understanding of my mind, and understanding of just the charts and seeing, because you have no edge with strategies in trading. You have only edges with you understanding if that's a good time to get in or it's a good time to get out, and also to adding just to when you're actually winning. Because if you actually know when to get in and get out, it's just going to be a 50% chance. So you only want to add to those trades that are actually crumbling down. So ideally, I want to place trades on assets like futures and Dow Jones that don't have so many taxes on it, because there's no swap fees on it. Like you don't have to pay for like the commissions and the bullshit that make you pay for forex trading and USD, your USD, and all that bullshit. This is pretty self-explanatory. The only thing I pay here is like the spread or something like that. So the account, this type of account allows me to trade in a pretty good way. So I don't remember the taxes you have to pay for it, but it's pretty good, because you pay only 24 cents for 0.1 micro lot, so for 0.1 contracts. And also, if it was one contract, I will be paying $2.4. So for each entry, which is super good, because it's like 0.1 contracts, it's 24 cents, and 10x that is just $2.40. So it's good. It's very good, and it's just super nice because you don't have to pay many taxes for it and many swap commissions and things like that. So it's pretty easy. Allows me to trade in a better way without having to pay that many commissions. You can see there's no commission swap. There's just the spread you pay. So you get in already losing position for a micro spread you're paying. So God bless the Dow Jones and all these futures shit and the contracts. And God bless these freaking fucking assets. I mean, these indexes are very good. Not that bullshit euro dollar forex shit. That actually the bullshit euro dollar forex shit is pretty ranging. So I'm not good at trading that because it's ranging. When it does go somewhere, it doesn't go forever there. So you cannot expect trades to actually go for fucking ever. Like here, you can expect trades to actually go wherever the fuck they want to go. Like it could go down, and tomorrow we will be third world war, and the fucking Dow Jones goes down to zero, and I'll be happy anyway because I'll be making money anyway, shorting it. And if it goes up to the moon, I'll be happy anyway. I got like bunch of cash invested into that, bunch of cash like averaging, packing that, DACing that, so dollar cost averaging, or DCAing that, yeah, dollar cost averaging that, and I will be getting in with contracts, going long. I don't give a fuck. I just get in the fucking flow. I just get the fucking trades. I amplify the winning positions, and I fucking cut the losses shorts. That's what you should be doing. But you only understand that if you understand that the market is just plain bullshit. You understand that you can trade somewhere just because the fucking market is bullshit. And it's bullshit not because I want to say it's bullshit. It's bullshit because it's a zero-sum game. Like literally, it could go wherever the fuck you want, wherever the fuck it wants to go. In each seconds, you still have the 1/3 of a percent chance. That what you have this. It could go like this, or fucking just flattening out, or flattening like this. It's just 1/3 of the time, 33% chance to be right. That's it. The other 66% chance, 0.6%, you will be fucking wrong. Like this is right, this is wrong. And it's just the way it works. Okay? So why not to fucking add positions when you're making money? What you want to do is that you have 50% winning trades, like winning days, and 50% is gonna be losing days. It's just the fucking way it works. Like literally, you will lose 50% of the times with a 1-on-1 risk reward ratio. And with an infinite risk reward ratio, I pretty much don't give a fuck. Because it could go like, you have like this losing, like here I accept the loss over here. And imagine this actually at the same over here. This is already a 1-to-1. And if you think about this trade over here, it's $20, $18, $70, and it was $8 for each of these positions over here. This is like a 1, 2, 3. Now, if I close the trade, but I don't want it to be 1, 2, 3. I want it to be 1 to fucking infinite. So all I'm trying to do is just to stay in the fucking trade as long as possible, and just trying to see the price. What's the price? And it's something you cannot explain to people. You can only, there's people that tell you this story, and I bless those people because those people tell you the truth. They tell you you can understand, you can know with a fucking course how to fucking trade. So why fucking waste time doing a fucking course? You should fucking waste time practicing the fucking trading. It's the only thing you should be doing. Like you should make money only because you've learned it through practice. There's no way you can understand how to check the price going and knowing how to trust your instincts by just doing a fucking course or reading a book. You just do that by practicing every day, every single day of your life. And you want to take as on average, I think 10,000 trades overall. I've had sure think I took over 1,000 trades with this type of strategy. I'm looking forward to 9,000 trades left with this type of strategy. Why am I doing that? Because as Bruce Lee used to say, don't fear the man that knows how to do 7,000 different kicks. I fear the man that knows how to do 1 simple kick that has practiced 7,000 times. So what I'm actually trying to do is I'm trying to be that kind of guy, like being extreme experiences with just one type of strategy, one type of asset, one type of trading strategy, and one type of trading entry. Maximum two is like the bonds or the breakout, but it's just bullshit. You look at the price you get in, that's it. Okay, so no big deal, no fancy things, and it's just it. So yeah, I think I'll close the video. I will keep on staying in the trade. You watch me trading live, so maybe I'll do another video as an update for day 25 or 26 of the challenge. I don't remember what day it is. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow or later on.